Hi, in this video today I will show you how to install the Windows Server version 2012 data center on VMware Workstation Pro version 15. Okay, so now let's get started. And I will open the VMware tool on my PC. Okay. And this version is 15. And the second one, I need to download the Windows Server 2012 in ISO file from the internet to my PC. Okay, you can open browser and go to the Microsoft site to get it. Back to the VMware tool, click on File, New Virtual Machine. Okay, we have two types, the typical and the custom. I'm going to select the typical option at the recommended feature. Next, and here we have three options to select the location of the installation file. And I'm going ahead to select the I will install the operating system later. Okay, and after that click on next button to go to another step. Okay, on this step you have to select the Windows version you want to be installed on the VMware tool, and I select the Windows Server 2012. Click on next button. Okay, on this step you can edit the virtual machine name and the location to save the file for the Windows Server. Yeah, I enter the data center and keep the location by default. Click on next button here. Okay, and on this step you have to specify the disk capacity of the virtual machine we will be using to install the Windows. Okay. And here we have two options. The first one is single and the second one is multiple file. I will select the multiple. And this is a socketed information source server. Yeah. And if you want to do some customization for the Windows server configuration, you can click on custom hardware. Here you are able to increase or decrease the memory, I mean RAM for the server. Click on the processor. You can change the number of the processor and number core per processor. Close button here. Hit on the finish button to finish creating the virtual machine. Okay. And this is the default information of the Windows Server in virtual machine. You click on the edit virtual machine in setting link here. And you can do some customization. I go ahead to select the CD and DVD SATA. By default, it will select the U physical drive because here we are using the ISO image of the Windows. So I select the ISO option and browse to find the ISO file which contains the Windows Server. Okay, click on OK button here. Okay, cool. We have just finished configuration for the server. And go ahead to click on the run button to start the virtual machine. Okay. So here you can click on the view full screen mode of the window to view the full screen of the window in virtual machine. If you want to exit this mode, you can press the Control and Alt button on the keyboard at the same time. Okay, we are going to do the setup for the Windows. Keep this information by default. Click on Install Now button here. Okay, the window is going to starting. Setup is starting. Okay, and on this step you have to select the version of Windows you want to be installed on this PC. I select the Windows Server 2012 data center version. Click on next button. Okay, and on this step you can read some of the license term of the Windows. Scroll down to see it in fully. Okay, and after that click on I accept the license term. Click on next button here. On this step we have two options. The first one is upgrade and the second one is custom. And I will select the custom option because I want to be install the new Windows server on this PC. Okay. Next step, you have to select this you want to be install the Windows there. Next button. It is copying the file and after that installing the feature of the Windows server. It will take some minutes or maybe some hour depending on the configuration of the server. Okay. Yeah, so here we have finished installing and restart the server. Here, on this step, if you have the Windows Server license, you can enter it here, and you need to make sure that connect to the internet. Otherwise, click on skip button to do trial version. On this step, you have to provide the password for default account administrator. Yeah, I'm trying to enter 1 2 3 or 1 2 3 4 5 6 and finish button. Yeah, it will display a message that says the password is not more or not complexity, so we need to provide the password in more complexity for some the security purpose. Okay, re-enter the password. Okay, hit on finish button here. Yeah, it is finalizing the setting. The window is coming. Yeah, so here we need to press the Control and delete button. You can click on the icon on the menu of the virtual machine. Okay, provide the password for admin account. Yeah. Wow, this is the desktop of the Windows 2012 server data center. Okay, the version of this view is 9200. Okay. Cool. And you see here the resolution of the PC, it is displaying not fully. So now we need to install the driver for Windows. Before we install driver, we need I'm going to see the configuration of the server. Yeah. Yes, you can see here this is the Windows Server detail data center, and there's some of the configuration for the some information of the server, like processor, the RAM, and the system type. Okay, close this one. Yeah, and I will install the driver. It is okay. Click on install button now. Okay. Okay, run setup. Okay, click on next button here. Next, and next. So here some driver will be automatically installed for the window, and after that the resolution of the window will auto adjust the screen here to make the desktop display in the fully. Yes, it seems fine for now. Hit on finish button and yes to do some restart for the window to apply the new change for the driver. Okay. Yeah, we need to provide the password to get access into the window. Okay, it's fine. So here try to tie in the run in the Windows command. Open the Windows run and you see here the Windows version, Windows Server 2012, and it is a data center operating system. Okay, so I think that's all for today, and after you finish this video you know how to install the Windows Server 2012 data center on VMware Workstation version 15 Pro. Okay, I hope that video will be helpful for you, and let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later. Thank you for watching. I will close this VM virtual machine and turn off the window. Bye bye.